couple of times I've been asked how I get confident while speaking to the camera. And the truth is, I am not confident speaking to the camera. I just think I'm growing gradually. And if you watch my first video, it wasn't like this. And it's more of me being myself, to be honest. I won't say I am confident speaking to the camera. It's just more of me being myself. I already said I was not going to, while starting this YouTube channel, I already said I was not going to speak fast like the other YouTube guys speak or the other YouTubers speak. They have that fast pace, I cannot match up. First, I cannot match up. And secondly, I think I'm not even going to be communicating to my audience, and I want to sound as original as possible. So that's it for me. I just be myself. I just put the camera and start speaking. I don't even script my videos. I just have my camera pointed and I just start speaking into the camera. And I have my bullet points. Okay, maybe I'm talking about a particular thing. I itemize a list of things that I want to talk about. So when I know what the next bullet point is, I can just have my thoughts gathered together so I can speak. So it's not that I have anything figured out. I know I have a lot of the ums, and the ahs, and the and, but it's not something I'm trying to fight. I know with time I'll get better, and those things will cut out by themselves. But for now, I'm not even trying to be articulate. I'm not trying to be perfect, because that being perfect or being a perfectionist has affected me a lot, and it has delayed me. I remember my very first video that I spoke about procrastination, how I advised a couple of my friends that started YouTube, and YouTube is already paying, I think, a handful of them. But yeah, that's just it. It's just being you, um, showing up every time. And the more you speak to the camera, the more you get confident. There's always somebody that's going to listen to you. There's always somebody that is waiting for you to show up. So it doesn't mean that the whole world will rally around you. If it's just if it's just that 1%, if it's just that one person, I'm good, honestly. So it mustn't be that everybody is listening to me or watching my videos. If I have that one person who is patiently waiting for my next video, who really wants to get the value out of the video, I think I'm good. So I don't I won't say I'm confident with the camera. I have a lot of bloppers. Graphic design is a very cool skill to have, because graphic designer is a good skill to have. Graphic design is a very good skill to have, because there's a lot of stuff you can do as a graphic design is a very graphic design graphic design is a very cool skill to have, because graphic design is a very cool skill to have because there's a lot of stuff you can do with the craft. My biggest motivation to becoming a graphic designer is hip hop. You know how hip hop is, the streetwear, the graffiti, and all everything associated with the culture, beatboxing and all. I just love the fact that um at some point thanks for stopping by once again. So in my last video, thanks for stopping by once again. In my last video I made, even me myself, sometimes when I play them back, I just laugh at myself, and it feels stupid that you just sit down and you're looking at a lens and you're speaking. It's crazy. It feels stupid. It feels funny. But at the end of the day, it's worth it when you see that people are being encouraged, um, people are being inspired, people learn from you that is making this video. So that's one thing that keeps me uh, consistently coming back to make videos. So I will say, first, just be yourself. To whoever that is watching this video, just be yourself as much as you can. Don't think too much about the mistakes. Don't think too much about the ums and the ahs. Just keep doing your thing. With time, you get better. At first, I think I was kind of robotic, but now I'm kind of more human, or I'm becoming more human. So the first video was kind of what I think my very first video was scripted, and it was, I think the first two or three of them are scripted, though the third was not fully scripted. It was still bullet points. So then I started learning to just face the camera, have my thoughts, capture my thoughts together, and just communicate freely. So that's about it. I don't There's no rocket science behind being confident about with the camera. Yeah, at some point I know I used to, that's as regarding me being a rapper, I used to look at the mirror and rap in front of the mirror, and I think that helped me a bit. That helped me a bit. And I watched videos of people saying, just imagine that you're speaking with a friend, your friend is in front of you. I've tried imagining that. It doesn't even make sense. For some people, it does, but for me, it doesn't really. I still can't see my friend seated. I still can't imagine, because the moment I try imagining I'm talking to my friend, it takes my mind to a lot of places. So I just try to be in the moment. I just try to think of you, think of you, the person I'm speaking with right now. So I just think of you and the value that needs to be communicated. So if that's a hindrance for you not wanting to start creating, I think it's something that is a mindset you should discard. Just start. It doesn't take anything, and possibly you will grow. Possibly you will grow. Like I said, I'm growing. I'm not there yet, and I'll get to a stage where even when I look back to this particular video, I'll be like, okay, there's a rapid change, there's a rapid growth, and yeah, that's about it. So I don't know if this video helps anybody that wants to start a YouTube channel or that wants to start making videos and is not confident about how he or she looks on camera or how they will sound, or and all that. So it's not always about you. It's about the person you're communicating this value to. So that's what one thing I keep telling myself. It's not always about me. So whether I flop or not, it's not always about me. It's about who this video is sent to. So yeah, if that makes any sense, then it should be your motivation. It should be your um like it should be your trigger to start creating. Yeah. So no matter what you do, don't forget to put go first and create again. It's still your boy Kankara. I'm the Benjamin, the professional apprentice, aka Pro App. See you on the next one. Peace.